DCW Day 2. It's a pleasure for me to be joined by Brandon from ZincFive.
Yeah, absolutely. Happy to be here.
How's it all going?
Oh man, it's a great show. So many people in both days, people from all different walks of life, all different types of projects, from all over Europe, Middle East. It's amazing.
Excellent, excellent. And you and Ekaterina, you've come a long ways, haven't you?
We have, yeah. We come from the US-based company, but expanding rapidly over here in Europe and Middle East. It's going well.
Well, that was one of the reasons I wanted to speak to you, because I know you're trying to expand. You've already got presence in the region, but you're looking to expand. So, the floor's yours. Tell me all about ZincFive, what you're doing, what you're looking to achieve.
Yeah, look, so we build battery solutions for the data center space, for traditional IT, and for AI capacity and compute. We're a US-based company, as I mentioned, but our value propositions to the market are safety, sustainability, and high power.
Right.
And the European market really resonates with safety and sustainability.
So they're also desperate for power.
That's true. That's true. So a nickel zinc-based technology. We're an alternative to lithium ion and lead acid, and a lot of the customers over here are very excited to have an alternative to those two chemistries. And we have a lot of exciting things that we're developing for AI and how GPU clusters work in the data center and some of the problems they're causing on infrastructure. We're a technology company trying to solve problems for those customers. So it's been great, and this market is just tremendous.
That was that in a nutshell. So the question is, as you know, in this region, I suppose in the US as well, sustainability is a massive thing.
Absolutely.
What would you say ZincFive are doing towards the sustainability push?
Oh my gosh, so the biggest thing, certainly for Europe, is the EU passport.
Right.
A lot of manufacturers aren't quite aware of how intense this directive is, but it's really important and it's vital for battery technology and data center. Tracking the batteries from cradle to grave, recycling, manufacturing, how they get in the country, into any country, and how they get out of the country responsibly. We're way ahead on that. We're tracking our batteries, our cabinets. We have the recycling models all set up. We're recyclable today, so there's no questions around that, which is great. Nickel and zinc are very abundant, so we're not worried about where lithium is mined. We're not worried about some of those concerns.
Right.
So for our customers, we can provide a product that's sustainable to make, a product that's recyclable today, and a product that is ahead of some of the EU directives and sustainability laws that are coming into effect pretty quickly here.
Wow, so you're ahead of the game.
Yes, we'd like to think so, and we're educating others on it, because every battery manufacturer is going to have to play in the EU passport and follow it, and our customers are going to have to follow it. You know, the OEMs, the end user designers, whoever's importing it into the countries will have to understand it. So trying to get that word out to educate everybody so everyone's aware, and in the process, you know, do our best.
Awesome. So one final question. What exciting things, apart from your expansion in the region, what exciting things are coming up for ZincFive? Or what do you see as being exciting within the data center that's going to affect ZincFive?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of buzz at this show, particularly for the first time, I think, in the last year. The biggest issue I see coming is for the AI compute facilities. Right. So a lot of the AI designs are large clusters of GPUs, and as the GPU clusters get bigger and bigger, they create electric pulses as they operate. And these pulses happen very quickly, but they affect all of the electrical infrastructure from chip to grid. More and more people are starting to talk about it, which is great. We need to work together to solve that. Now, batteries can be that shock absorber to mitigate these pulses that the GPUs cause, but we all have to design data centers a little bit differently, especially if we're looking at major AI GPU clustering. So that's something we're very aware of. We're building solutions to solve that problem, and I'm just really happy to hear other people around the show talking about it as well. The more people talk about it, the more solutions are going to get out there, and we'll build data centers faster and better, and everyone will win.
That was absolutely awesome, Brandon. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
You guys couldn't see behind the screen here, but it's wonderful to have Ekaterina here as well from ZincFive, because she stopped people walking in and out of our interview. Only one got through, just one.
That's right.
But that was it. So thank you, Ekaterina, and thank you, Brandon, for your time.
Absolutely.
Enjoy the rest of the show. I hope to speak soon, yeah?
Absolutely.
Thank you.